Uh, uh, uh. I'm walking with my school shoes. 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 Talan tam 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 tam. Yeah. I have my backpack. 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 I have my backpack with my school shoes. I have my backpack with my school shoes. I'm walking with my school shoes. I'm walking with my school shoes. I have my backpack with my school shoes. I have my backpack with my school shoes. Hmm? Uh, Ikpumkpu. 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 Cover. Ikpumkpu like vanish and cover. They are Ikpumkpu cover. Hmm? All Akogheli. 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 Akogheli are negative forces. Both physical and spiritual. Akogheli are negative forces and they could possess people and they come physical to attack the innocent like terrorists going against the world with different agenda. All they move around, all they do, move around looking for innocent to kill, looking for country to attack, possessed by Akogheli negative forces. Possessed by Akogheli negative forces. And all their foundations, all ASI, lies, ASI, ASI, lies, 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 and Ighala, IGHALA, Ighala are false, all false and fake, all false and fake, worldwide, against humanity, against the world, destroying lives and properties, to cover them worldwide, in all countries, family, generation, ancestors. Ikpumkpu cover, Ikpumkpu cover Akogheli, all Akogheli negative forces, ASI, lies, Ighala, false and fake, worldwide, in all countries, in all worldwide, in all places, science and technologies, in rocks, in trees, in homes, in buildings, in foundations, secret, hidden secret, but they are against humanity, looking for who to kill, looking for innocent that will fall victim, then they kill the person, looking for innocent countries, innocent families to attack the negative forces, and they continue to move around, recruit people to join them, casting negativities, commanding negative influence, abusing the innocent, injustice. That's all they do. All they do are kill, destroy. They have no solution. With no solution, all they want the world to go down. They want the world to be destroyed. And some come with gun, and some has no gun. But the damage they do to innocent mind, in the innocent, full of selfishness, And they continue to move around, possessed by Akogheli, in the name of worshiping God, and telling the innocent, the world is no home. The world is vanity upon vanities. We are going home, we are going home. The world are vanities upon vanities. Discouraging the future generation from hustling and telling everybody the world is no home, the world is no home for us. The world is vanities. We are going home. All they care, all the time they pray, and all they care is for the world to end. So everybody go home and go be with their God, and their God will appear and save them. All that believe in them, save them. Then the rest perish in hell. Worshipping Akogheli, negative forces in the name of God, and all their foundation worldwide, casting curse spells. When the world is mourning, when the world is in distress, in agony, they celebrate and they say their God is happy, their God is fighting, their God is angry. God that is angry, destroying lives and properties, and you are worshiping that God, and you are saying that God is angry, and the God wants everybody to come to them. When there is natural disaster, when the world is mourning, they celebrate, they are happy. They want more to come. They pray for more to come, more catastrophes, more destructions, to destroy all these foundations, physical and spiritual. I use all animals, roosters, hens, tatiri bitacolas, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obago, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soaps, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And where they might struggle to rise again, now or in the future generation, to block all of them and the foundation, or where they might struggle to build the altar, Akogheli, negative forces, full of lies, Ighala, fake and false, to block all of them worldwide, in all family, generation, ancestors, in all countries. I use all animals, all animals, roosters, hens, tatiri bitacolas, ebo ngene, green, blocking, chuku and indoor walls, all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them, their group, their science and technologies against the world, piling up negative weapons to fight the innocent, to destroy the innocent, to destroy the world, because they believe all are going home to go be with a God that is full of force and lies, wickedness, possessed by Akogheli. Block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and to cover all the foundation, negative energies there, the Akogheli forces, and possess in people, to cover all of them. I use oke and adiri chicken, obolocha and oboloji, white and black cheese, tatiri uncooked eggs, tatiri bitacolas, ibu aja nkata, basket ritual, capture all of them, all the Akogheli negative forces, and all the lies, Ighala, false and fake, capture all of them, bring them down, tie them, use black blankets, black trash bags, cover all of them, blind, tied, cover, turn upside down, bury, and cover all of them, and banish them out from humanity, from all countries worldwide. Banish them out from the world, in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and free all human worldwide. Be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All the disease, catastrophes, accident, destruction, Akogheli, forces, and lies, Ighala, fake and false, brought against the world. I banish all of them and free all humanity. All be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, transfer to all countries worldwide. Based in USA NATO science and technologies. So many be. He say. It's me, Sanko and Chief Priest Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA. I am Lord of sea and sky. I have heard my people cry. Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. If you guide me, if you lead your people in my hands, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Chukuname vuluyana, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Ovungwangwe vuluyana, Chukuname vuluyana, forward.